Hello guys, welcome to the channel. What we've got here today is an older Hitachi LCD TV, and as you can see there, it seems it's stuck on standby. There's a red and green flashing light. You try and turn it on, it just doesn't go past the red and green flashing light. And that's the model number 42LDF30UA. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to open the TV setup and see what the problem might be. Okay guys, so we've opened the back of the TV and we have 3 capacitors that are blowing. The first one there is a 16 volt 2700 unifarad blown capacitor there. It's the main one that would turn the TV on. And then over here we have 2 other bulged capacitors, and these ones are .16 volt 1000s. So there you go, you can see it. Big bulge capacitor, 16 volt 2700. And then we have 2 capacitors that are blowing in the corner that are 16 volt 1000s. So we're going to change these capacitors out and see if this solves the problem with the TV. So here we are guys, this is the bad board. So we're just going to take this capacitor out and these 2 capacitors out as they're bulged. So we've salvaged some replacement caps from another board. We're going to put 25 volt 1000 unifarads in instead of the 16 volt 1000 unifarads, just to make it a bit more stronger, the power supply. We've got 2 of them, and then we've got a 16 volt 2700. Okay, so we're just going to make sure that our soldering iron's tinned, like so. And we're going to find the bad one, turn it round, and find the point where it is in the board. So the points are just here. Put a bit of heat on it. And just wedge them out like so. So that's the bad one out there. You see that. Okay, so here's our new one, the good one. And it tells you negative, positive on the capacitor and on the board as well. If you look there, it's got positive and negative. So you line the side of the lines up, you put in where the line is on the board. If you line that up, there we go, that's just pushed through it. And just bend the legs slightly. You can see I've just bent the legs slightly each side. So there we are, that's the first one done. Okay, so I've soldered the new capacitors into the board. So let's put this back in the TV and try it to see if that has solved the problem. Okay guys, so we have replaced the free blown capacitors in the Hitachi TV. I'm just going to turn that on just now. Okay, so you can see there, it was the orange light and then now it's the green light. And that's it powering on now. So that was the fault in this Hitachi set. It was just the free blown capacitors. I've changed them out and it looks like it's working okay now. I'm just going to bring up the menu and stuff, have a little look. Yeah, so that has fixed the no power problem on the Hitachi TV. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if it's helped. Any comments, leave a comment and I'll be sure to answer. Thanks for watching.